This is our second PupJoy box, and I thought I'd go through it and show you what we got. So this is the month of April. This may look very familiar. We got these in March as well. So it's a little disappointing to get the same treats, because one of the fun things I think is getting new stuff that you haven't tried before. And the dogs just think these are okay. They'll eat them, but they're not super excited about them. We also got a plush toy. So the toy's a little better than last month. It's a nice little soft backing, and it's quite big if you look at comparison here. So that's nice. We have our card with our information about what's in the box and being social and getting rewards, and also what they do for shelters. So there's that. Let's see what else we have in here. We also have a chew. So chews are always very popular at our house. So we've got a 6-inch standard bully stick. So I know somebody will enjoy that. We also got this interesting toy, I guess. Maybe you put some goodies in it. I'm not really sure what to do with it. It's rubber. It's pretty big, pretty heavy. This is the medium box. Even though we have smaller dogs, we wanted to share with our dog friends. So we'll have to explore what this is. Maybe have one of our bigger dog friends try it out. And then the final thing in our box are these pork burgers, which are fascinating. I've never seen them before. Let's see here. It tells you how much to feed. It's a supplement, and it's got really good ingredients. So pork, carrot, sweet potato, etc. So very simple ingredients. And I think we'll let our dogs have a try of this. They're probably going to be huge fans because it's very meaty. So I've got the pork burgers open. Let's take a look and see what they look like. So they're pretty thin, kind of crispy. Give it a whiff. Pretty neutral smelling, smells a little meaty. And we'll see what these kids like. So I wouldn't recommend, unless you have a large dog, just giving them the whole thing. We're going to break it up and give them pieces to try. And if you can hear them, they're jumping up and down trying to get the goodies because they know what's happening. So breaking up the pork burgers was really easy. They aren't as crisp as they look. They've got a little give to them, so that's nice. So you could break them up and probably be really good training treats if you break them up ahead of time, or maybe carry them in your pocket. So Norby is begging me for some. Norby, sit. Good. So let's see what he thinks. He's going to take it off. Hey, Curly, you want a treat? Curly, you want a treat? So here's little Panzer. Let's give him a tiny one. Panzer. Good job. Then we've got Molly and Curly. Oh, watch out, Norby. Norby says these are delicious. He just tried to rip it out of my hand. Wait, kiddo. We're going to give it to Molly. Good job. Right? We'll give Norby one more. I'll give you one more, kiddo. Norby, can you spin? Excellent. Here you go, kid. So these are a huge hit. Everybody gobbled those up. So I would definitely use those again because they really liked them. And they're really good ingredients, so I'd feel good about giving it to them.